everybody, welcome to yet another episode of Learning Perspectives. Today we are going to deconstruct a scene from a movie called Mission Impossible, and we are going to learn a concept about contingency. Let's begin and watch this scene.
Your line's not long enough! No shit!
Right. So the scene that you just saw is from the movie called Mission Impossible, and one of my favorite scenes. Uh, In this episode, we will understand the meaning of contingency fund. डिस्कस करने वाले हैं is the meaning of contingent. Contingent शब्द जो है contingency पूरा शब्द बना रहा है. So we will understand contingent का क्या मतलब होता है. So contingent means occurrence of a negative event. तो कोई भी negative event जब होता है लाइफ में और बिजनेस में उसको हम contingency कहते हैं. Similar to the scene that we just saw, Ethan is the guy, or Tom Cruise. He's the guy who's walking down the building, जो आपने scene में देखा. Now he wants to get to the other side. उसको window के पार जाना है. But जो वो rope उसने अपने तरफ tie किया हुआ है, it turns out that the rope is short. और वो नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है टुवर्ड्स द विंडो. सो वो क्या करता है, वो सोचता है कुछ कि अच्छा मैं भाग के आऊंगा तो मुझे एक मोमेंटम मिलेगा एंड मैं उस मोमेंटम से कूद पाऊंगा टुवर्ड्स द अदर साइड, जहां पे यू कैन सी द अदर टू कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ द मूवी स्टैंडिंग, राइट, एंड दे कॉलिंग आउट टू हिम. सो वो बहुत तेज भाग के आ रहा है एंड ही इज ट्राइंग टू कम टू द अदर साइड एंड वो मोमेंटम तो ले लेता है, बट एट द बिल्कुल एंड ऑफ गेटिंग इनसाइड दैट विंडो उसका सर वहां से टकरा जाता है एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली इज नॉट एबल टू गेट इन डायरेक्टली, बट his friends are there who catch a hold of him and they bring him upwards into the building itself. So यहाँ पे हम क्या सीख रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे सीख रहे हैं कि what is a contingent event. उसके साथ कॉन्टेंजेंट इवेंट ये हुआ कि उसका रोप छोटा पड़ गया. इस रोप की अब वो छोटा पड़ गया, राइट. नाउ ही हैज टू लुक फॉर ऑल्टरनेट वेज जिससे कि वो अंदर आ सके बिल्डिंग के. तो ये एक नेगेटिव इवेंट अकर हुआ उसकी लाइफ में और उसने ही लुक्ड फॉर सॉल्यूशन, राइट. बिजनेसेस में बहुत बारी ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है, राइट. Businesses themselves create something called contingency reserve. Contingency reserve का मतलब होता है एक ऐसा फंड या एक ऐसा रिजर्व कलेक्ट करना कि जब मुझे कल परेशानी आए मैं उसको यूज कर पाऊं, राइट. सो जब कोई परेशानी आए, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक बहुत बड़ी परेशानी सारे बिजनेसेस एंड एवरीबडी हैड टू गो थ्रू वाज COVID-19. COVID-19 was a phase in everybody's life which created a lot of havoc and problem. Suddenly, everybody had to go indoors. सबको अंदर जाना था and had to not go out of their houses. This was a major problem for businesses. Now, इस situation में businesses क्या करेंगे? Businesses had to come up with alternate solution, similar to what Ethan came out with. नाउ कॉन्टिजेंसी कब अकर होती है? जब भी कोई पैंडेमिक होता है, कोई अर्थक्वेक आता है, कोई टेररिस्ट अटैक होता है, any unforeseen kind of a situation is considered to be a contingent event. Now हर contingent event को protect नहीं किया जा सकता, जैसे COVID. Nobody was expecting COVID. Nobody even knew कि COVID क्या है till the time it occurred. So many businesses were prepared, but many were not. जो businesses prepare नहीं थे, especially small businesses, they had to shut down. क्योंकि इतना revenue was not being generated for the business. Now ये business किसी भी तरह का हो सकता है, but revenue नहीं आ रहा था. तो जब revenue नहीं आएगा, आप business नहीं चला पाएंगे. So essentially businesses have to close down. Now contingent fund कितना हो, right? कितना होना चाहिए so that you can protect yourself. वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा point है. This who are just starting off, they generally don't have contingencies के लिए money, right? Because they have money to secure themselves for day-to-day operations. They don't have money to secure them for a contingent event per se. That is why big businesses generally, or a small business, medium-sized business generally create a contingency fund. Many companies and many people resort to insurance policies. But before COVID, even insurance policies were not in place. No insurance policy covered pandemic as such. So किसी को since पता ही नहीं था, तो nothing was covered, right? And if you see, a lot of people took a lot of different kind of alternatives to come out of this situation. We can discuss a case study of Haldiram in this case. Now, like everybody, Haldiram also went through its phase of pandemic, and because a lot of data is online now, companies ka one source of existence is just the digital and the online data now, because the offline was all of a sudden closed down. So सारा reliability किसी भी company का जो होता है, it comes to the online data that they have. Now अगर ये online data hack हो जाए, तो आप सोच सकते हैं किसी भी company को कितनी problem हुई. So Haldiram's data was breached and hacked, and just to get that data back, hackers ने उनसे 7.5 lakhs rupees मांगे. Now Haldiram was in a fixed situation because they wanted to get their data back, and they also wanted कि उनकी reputation should not be harmed. Now all companies, not just Haldiram, at this stage all companies are in a situation where they need money, right? And when they want to protect their reputation also. So what would a company like this do in this digital age? Companies ने resort किया towards cyber security insurance. Now this is an insurance that helps the company get back to its feet और hackers से आपको बचाती है. तो आपका firewall system, आपका पूरा system जिसपे इतना सारा data है, which is of you and me, right? That can get exposed to people who are not the right kind of people, and who would probably sell the data further and can play around with the company's reputation. In contingency plan, the advantages. So first thing, obviously, advantages इस sense में है कि आपको किसी भी खतरे से बचाएगा, right? So any unforeseen circumstances. So any business would be willing to have insurance policies in place जो उनको cyber threat से बचाती हैं, जो उनको किसी unforeseen circumstances से बचाती हैं, such as fire or medical part of it. Also, that is covered. Besides that, company की reputation, which is very very important. So contingency plan उस चीज में definitely help करता है. And finally, contingency plan help करता है. If you have a contingency plan, then you are kind of a company which is stable, or मतलब they have a future, right? They have a future plan. Now this sits very well with the investors. तो कोई भी इन्वेस्टर ऐसी ही कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहेगा जहां पर जो कंपनी स्टेबल हो. So then you might receive a lot of investment offers from different people. All right, so thank you guys. That was the concept for the day of contingency plan. If you've understood the concept, please like, share and subscribe the video. Also, अगर आपको ये हिंदी इंग्लिश वाला वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you guys get regular updates. Thank you for watching. Please take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.